I banned Google for 24 hours. Only used AI for every search. Answered 30 questions faster. Here's what happened. So I realized something. Every question I have goes straight to Google. Homework question? Google. Random fact? Google. How to fix my code? Google. But I always click through 5 different websites, read conflicting answers, get distracted by ads, takes forever. So I tried something. What if I just asked AI everything instead, for an entire day? The rules were simple. No Google for 24 hours, ChatGPT or Perplexity for everything. Research questions, quick facts, technical problems, navigation, everything. I tracked how long each search took, compared quality of answers. Here's what I found. Discovery 1. AI is way faster for straightforward questions. Asked for the capital of Azerbaijan. Google would show ads than Wikipedia. AI just said Baku instantly. 2 seconds versus 2 minutes. Discovery 2. Research is actually better with AI. Asked about climate change effects. Perplexity gave me a summary with sources. Google gave me 10 articles to read myself. Discovery 3. Code debugging worked surprisingly well. Pasted my broken Python code. AI found the error and explained why. Google would have sent me to Stack Overflow. Then I'd read 20 answers, but some things failed. Shopping was terrible. Needed to buy headphones. AI gave recommendations but no prices or links. Had to Google anyway. Local business hours? AI didn't know if that cafe was open now. Google Maps had it. Current news? AI data is old. Google had today's headlines. Final results. Out of 30 searches, AI was faster and better for 23. 7 needed Google. Average time with AI, 3 minutes. With Google, 8 minutes. Saved 5 minutes per search. That's 2 hours saved in one day. But you can't fully replace Google yet. Use both strategically. Try this challenge yourself. Comment which you use more. Hit subscribe for more AI experiments. Choose your tool wisely. Thanks for watching this experiment. Like if you learned something, share your own results. More challenges coming soon.